Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I wish my skin could just look fresher, smoother, and more youthful without looking fake? Well, what if I told you there's a treatment that doesn't involve fillers, surgery, or anything that drastically changes the way you look, yet it can rewind the clock on your skin naturally? That treatment is called microneedling, and today we're diving deep into the truth about microneedling, what it is, how it works, and why so many people swear by it for boosting collagen, improving texture, and reducing fine lines. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how microneedling works, whether it's worth trying at home or if you should leave it to the professionals. So, let's get started. Microneedling might sound scary when you first hear the name. After all, who wants needles near their face? But here's the truth. Microneedling is a gentle, controlled treatment that uses tiny, hair-thin needles to create microchannels, or little punctures, on the surface of your skin. Now, why would anyone want to do that? Because when your skin experiences these tiny, controlled injuries, it kicks your body's natural healing process into gear. And part of that process involves producing collagen and elastin, the two proteins responsible for keeping your skin firm, bouncy, and youthful looking. Think of it this way. When you scratch yourself, your skin works hard to repair and rebuild. Microneedling harnesses that same natural repair system, but in a very precise and controlled way, so you get the benefits without the scarring. Let's talk about collagen and elastin for a second, because these two are the real heroes of youthful skin. Collagen is like the scaffolding of your skin. It keeps your skin strong and firm. Elastin gives your skin that snapback quality, so when you smile or frown, your skin bounces right back instead of leaving wrinkles. As we age, both collagen and elastin start to decline. By the time you hit your mid-20s, your body makes less and less every year. That's why fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging slowly appear. Microneedling is one of the most natural ways to signal your body to start making collagen and elastin again without adding anything foreign to your skin. So what can microneedling actually do for your skin? Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. By boosting collagen, microneedling smooths out those little expression lines and gives skin a plumper look. Improves skin texture. It softens rough patches and makes your skin feel silky smooth. Fades acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Microneedling helps remodel the skin and break up uneven pigment. Shrinks pores. Because it tightens the skin, your pores appear smaller and more refined. Enhances product absorption. Those tiny channels allow your serums and skincare products to penetrate deeper, making them way more effective. In other words, microneedling is like giving your skin a reset button. Microneedling has become one of the hottest beauty trends, and it's not just for celebrities. More and more people are turning to it because it looks natural. You don't walk out with a frozen or done look. Your skin just looks refreshed. There's minimal downtime. You might be a little red for a day or two, but you're not hiding out for weeks like with a facelift. It's versatile. It works for all skin types and tones, and it can be used on the face, neck, and even the body. Plus, compared to other cosmetic procedures, microneedling is considered relatively affordable, and the results can last for months if done consistently. Let's go just a little deeper into the science, because understanding why it works makes it even more powerful. When those tiny needles penetrate the skin, they cause micro-injuries. These micro-injuries trigger your body to release growth factors and send in fibroblasts, the cells responsible for making new collagen and elastin. The process goes through 3 phases. Inflammation phase. Your body sends blood and nutrients to the area to start the healing process. Proliferation phase. Fibroblasts get to work building fresh collagen and elastin fibers. Remodeling phase. Over the next few weeks, new tissue forms, skin becomes smoother, and scars and fine lines fade. This cycle repeats every time you do microneedling, and the results build on themselves. That's why most professionals recommend a series of treatments spaced a few weeks apart. Now let's answer one of the biggest questions people have. Should you do microneedling at home, or should you see a professional? Professional microneedling. Dermatologists and licensed estheticians use devices with needles that go deeper, often up to 2 millimeters. This allows them to treat more stubborn issues like deep wrinkles, acne scars, and pigmentation. They also combine microneedling with treatments like platelet-rich plasma, PRP, or stem cell serums to maximize results. At-home microneedling. Home rollers, often called Derma rollers, have much shorter needles, usually between 0.2 and 0.5 millimeters. These are safe for boosting product absorption and improving skin texture, but they won't tackle deep wrinkles or scars. So, here's the bottom line. If you're just starting and want to boost glow and product absorption, a quality at-home device can be great. But for real anti-aging results, professional treatments are the way to go. If you decide to go the professional route, here's what usually happens. Your skin is cleansed, and a numbing cream is applied so you stay comfortable. The provider glides the microneedling device across your skin, creating those controlled micro-injuries. A soothing serum or PRP may be applied afterward to boost healing. You'll leave with some redness, similar to a mild sunburn, but this usually fades within 24 to 48 hours. Most people notice improvement after one session, but the best results come after 3 to 6 treatments, spaced about a month apart. Now, even though microneedling is safe, it's not something you want to take lightly. Here are a few important things to know. Your skin will be sensitive afterward, so sun protection is non-negotiable. Avoid makeup, harsh skincare products, and sweaty workouts for the first 24 hours. Always make sure your device, or your provider's device, is properly sterilized. Infection is rare, but it can happen if the needles aren't clean. If you're pregnant, have active acne, or certain skin conditions, you should talk to your dermatologist before trying it. If you're curious about trying it at home, here are some tips to keep it safe and effective. Start with a shorter needle length, around 0.25 millimeters. Sanitize your roller before and after every use with rubbing alcohol. Work on clean skin only, no makeup, no oils, just freshly washed skin. Roll gently, you don't need to press hard. Light pressure is enough. Follow with a nourishing serum like hyaluronic acid or peptides to maximize absorption. And here's the key: consistency matters. Doing it once won't transform your skin, but over time you'll notice a fresher, more youthful look. Microneedling works for almost everyone, but it's especially great if you are starting to notice fine lines or early wrinkles, have acne scars or uneven skin texture. Want to improve skin tone without drastic procedures? Prefer natural-looking results? It's not a quick fix, but it is one of the most effective long-term strategies for keeping your skin youthful. So, what's the truth about microneedling? It's one of the most natural, effective, and versatile treatments for youthful skin. By working with your body's own healing power, it boosts collagen, smooths wrinkles, improves texture, and gives you that radiant, healthy glow. It's no wonder it's one of the biggest beauty trends right now, and it's here to stay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss the latest tips and treatments for staying youthful and radiant. And now I'd love to hear from you. Would you try microneedling at home, or do you prefer going to a professional? Drop your answer in the comments below. Remember, staying youthful isn't about chasing perfection. It's about keeping your skin healthy, radiant, and true to you. Because beauty starts with confidence.